Hi, this is Shahrir Kabir from Clean Code. Today I will show you how you can add image credit in your Shopify product page. For example, if you see in my screen, this is the image, right? So we will try to add a image credit at the bottom right corner here. So basically, the Shopify image does not have any image credit field or any extra field. We have a single field called ALT tag field. We will try to utilize that ALT tag field as a image credit field. Let me show you how we can do it. To do that, we are going to follow a blog tutorial from our website. This one. As you can see here, basically there is two steps. I will share this blog tutorial link at the down description section, so you can easily copy the code from here. It says we need to go to the snippets directory, then product thumbnail, then copy it before the ending div, right? Okay, let's copy it. Okay, so we are going to first let's add a credit text in an existing product. Maybe here you see this is hexa design. Okay, let's keep it as it is. Let's see after implementation of the code what happens. Okay, we are going to go here, then edit, and now we are going to find snippets, then product thumbnail, this one, right? Okay, let's go to the bottom. Before the ending tag, we are going to add at the very bottom of the file, but before the last div tag. So paste it, and now format. It's good. It says that if an image alt tag contains the credit word, this is a trigger word for us, then show the credit. If the ALT tag text does not have the credit word, then it will not show up in the product page. Okay, because maybe your all products does not have the credit, right? So, or if you want, like you need to show all the images ALT tag fields and no need any trigger word or any condition, you can simply delete this line and this line. Simply just we will use only this line, but for this example we'll use this credit condition. And let's go to the second part. Let's add a bit of CSS styling. We will add the base.css. Yes, let's go to bottom again and paste it and save. It will give a nice black transparent background to the image credit text, so it's more readable. Now let's try to refresh it. Nothing shows up, right? Because our ALT tag value does not have that credit word, right? So we are going to back to our products, then go inside that product, select image, edit all text, and maybe now credit Shopify DOM theme, enter or save. Okay, let's refresh it. Yeah, see, the credit is shows up. So yes, this is how you can add a credit to your Shopify images. If you have multiple images in a single product, no problem, you can modify each of those images and give them separate credits if you need. So thank you. Oh, last thing, I will add my or our Facebook group link. Please add there. So if you need any custom help, our support engineer will try to help you out there. Thank you.